Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
For this operation, get hold of the fuel filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. The fuel filter is located on the passenger side at the back of the vehicle. In order to replace the fuel filter, you must lift the back of your vehicle. This will ensure you can slide easily under your car to access the filter. Place the jack at the back of your vehicle, lift the back of your vehicle and place it onto the axle stands. Nevertheless, we strongly suggest watching the tutorial video, lifting your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You should now be able to see the fuel filter located next to the reservoir. To be able to easily access the fuel filter, take the brake cable off the metallic hook. Using a container, collect the fuel that will come out of the filter. We suggest you watch another of our videos, how to make a collector for liquids. You need to disconnect the hoses. Using adjustable pliers, push on the coloured part of the plastic connector, levering with a flathead screwdriver. Take the filter out of its housing. To avoid the petrol contained in the filter flowing out, take the cap covers provided in the new filter box and install them on the old one. Disconnect the second hose in the same way as the first one.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Take the new filter, then reclip the first hose. Pay attention to the direction of the arrows. They should point towards the front of the vehicle. Place the filter in its holding, then reconnect the second hose. Finish by putting the brake cable back onto the metal hook. You can now put the vehicle back on the ground. Operation completed.
Hello! If this video helped you, like and subscribe.